So throwback to when I made a Therian mask only using paper and a few items from my local craft store. It ended up looking like this. So today we're going to be trying again. Here's the supplies. A cat mask base, some yarn, some felt, some mesh, and last, a glue stick and some scissors. So let's get started. This is just me outlining the ears on the felt. Cutting it out. Gluing it, by the way, I'm totally uneducated. I think it looks pretty good. We're gonna do this part of the ear now. So this is exactly like the inside of the ears, so enjoy the music. Let the mask sit for 5 minutes, and this is sped up so it doesn't seem like 5 minutes. Now we're gonna do this part of the mask. I had to measure because I'm really bad at guessing lengths. And you also see my hair in this clip, so I guess hair reveal. Like before, let it sit for 5 minutes. And my Essa decided to join in, so say hi to Mini Ivan. The eyes. So this is me tracing out the eyes. Gluing it on. Now I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes, but as you have seen, the felting part is pretty repetitive. So I'm just gonna put one giant clip in of me doing the felting, and I will come back when I'm done doing the felting. Yes, I know it looks a little bit chopped, but trust the process. You can see I've done some details off camera, and now I'm going to be adding some faux fur. Here's the finishing look. I love it so much. But the question is, which one do you like more? This one or this one? Thank you so much for watching. I apologize for the amount of stuttering I did. But bye!